Hello buddy kitty. In this video, I will teach you what are the things will be there in drawing room. So, what is drawing room? Drawing room is a room in a large private house in which guests can be received and entertained. Now let us list the things in drawing room. D-O-O-R door. T-U-B-E-L-I-G-H-T tube light. F-A-N fan. C-A-L-E-N-D-E-R calendar. C-O-L-L-E-R cooler. C-L-O-C-K clock. W-A-L-L-S-C-E-N-E-R-Y wall scenery. T-A-P-E-R-E-C-O-R-D-E-R tape recorder. S-H-E-L-F shelf. S-O-F-A sofa. F-O-O-T-P-A-D footpad. V-C-P C-A-R-P-E-T carpet. T-A-B-L-E table. F-U-R-N-I-T-U-R-E furniture. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E telephone. V-A-S-E was. TV TV
Like, share and subscribe Buddy Kitty.